So as I mentioned earlier, health and safety is very important to us, and I'm sure very important to you and your people on site. With the RS675, usually what happens is when silt and debris get into the manhole, someone has to clear that out. Sometimes jetting is not enough to physically do that, so someone goes into the manhole. That also requires full confined space training, confined space equipment and time, because obviously you've got to take these guys from doing one job to come and clear out a manhole. So health and safety is very important. Also from a health and safety point of view, obviously as we mentioned earlier, the RS400 is designed for machine lift only. That has a number of benefits, but the main one being it prevents any of you guys from physically causing injury to themselves. However, we do realise that in some instances machine lift is not available, hence the fact that we've brought out a much lighter, lightweight RS400 light for those instances where machine lift is just prohibitive.